Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Reader coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I got this Maruchan chicken flavor ramen bowl. What do we do here? 3 minutes? With room temperature water. Okay. In the microwave. It's macrowave. Because it's a high-powered microwave. I'm not kidding. It's 1250 watts of pure power. And it's also just shy of 8 a.m., which is perfect. My day is going perfect, in case you were wondering. All right. Today I'm getting out. I'll be done in a minute. Except for the harassment. 10 times already, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what they want. The task minders, they're minding me. Now the problem with these noodles is getting a nice picture. You know why? Because there's so many noodles. These are noodles for people who don't like soup, because there's really not a lot left once it's done. Boy, why did I have to say I was having a great day? Now I'm getting harassed. Goodness gracious. 3 minutes, huh? No. What the heck? Children! Come here, please. Let's see what they wanted. What did you guys come in here for?
Hi, nice people.
Oh, hi, nice. Yeah. I thought there was some kind of pressing, urgent need. Is there something? No?
Yes.
Oh, what's going on?
Well, Mimi's going in the bedroom a lot of weeks.
Oh, Mimi, did you make a mess in there? Yes or no? No. Did she make a mess in there?
No, I wasn't.
But what about her? Why don't you go make sure there's no mess in there, and then you can grab your tablet, Mimi. Why don't you guys hang out on the couch? And I'll be out there in a few minutes, okay?
Love you.
I love you.
Okay.
Ah. Tattling. Very good. Actually, I think tattling is a lost art. It's especially when your kid tells on the other kid. Oh boy, I like that. That helps. That saves me a lot of headache. Like, what's going on? What happened? Why are they so quiet? Yeah, she did this and she did that and blah 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 blah. Today I'm getting this really neat thing in the mail. It's called Salt Cola. It's from my buddy Johnny over in Malaysia, and I'll let you check it out. He was working with a company that made a noodle that was on the top 10 list, and now he doesn't, and neither do I. Yeah, I'll have to do a soggy noodle. Yeah, I should. These guys are using my logo and stuff. This other guy I'm talking about, he lost a lot of money with them. It's just like, geez, not very nice. Not very nice indeed. But, yeah. They made good noodles, too. I don't know why they screwed themselves over so bad, but... oh, well. Jeez. Yeah. It's a bummer. I think it's basically because they changed management. They got this one guy in who was an absolute jerk, and the old guy was an absolute gem. And really nice, really thoughtful, really knowledgeable about stuff. New guy's just like jerkwad. So yep. But that's the deal. Dismiss. Had an alarm. I already did what I was gonna do. And it's 8 on the nose. And that should be done in a minute. I hope it's not exploding all over the sink. Alright, I think, do we give it another minute to sit? Where'd I put the... Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I can't find things. Alright. Let's see. Maybe I'll use this. No, that's just getting blurrier. Crud. Well, that's a no-no. See, the way I look at it is you need, when you make packaging, you need a guy like me who can't see for crap. Because I'm going to tell you right now, instant stuff is handy for people of all ages. Mostly you got people that are old that can't see, but then you got people like me that aren't old that can't see very well themselves. This looks like chicken noodle soup with a lot of noodles. So let's try this. Yeah, it's like you can't get to the broth with all the noodles that are in here. Wow, this is bad. I picked like the worst list of music. I'm gonna have to like go back to the old one. It's very easy listening. Okay, so for like an American instant noodle, this is tops. This is great stuff. This has probably like the best chickeny flavor I can think of. It's warm, it's giving, it's soft. It tucks you into bed at night. Very salty, just right. Yeah, for a domestic chicken, booyah. Good job. I'm thrilled with that. It's swelligant, wonderful, groove-tastic. And I believe they're $1. So there you go. Maruchan ramen bowl chicken. Wow. It's like a chicken and a biscuit in a bowl. Does it taste like a real chicken? But you know, it's got that nice comfort foody chicken flavor that everybody loves here in the United States. It's yummy and tastes like pretend. But it's exactly what, it's like, that's what you expect from a product like this, you know? So I'm just gonna augment it with my own chickens. Alright. I'm even gonna add in Naruto Maki, which is like, I mean, I should be adding corn. My friend Jamie, he thinks that corn in instant noodles is the devil itself. Serious. He'll go off like to no end about corn. I'm not a fan of corn on ramen. Man, now this technique is failing me today. So we're gonna cheat. Yoki. You guinea pigs, what are you doing? Guinea pigs are having a day today. National Guinea Pig Appreciation Day. So if you have a guinea pig, feed it. They enjoy green leafy vegetables. Yeah, this set of music I'm gonna have to redo. Little pepper flake. God, I really thought this was going to be a good set. This is like one of the worst mixes I've ever gotten. I apologize. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And, yeah, we'll have some more for you tomorrow. Alright, catch you then. Bye-bye.